Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will talk about making a crypto investment using ChatGPT. Let me be very clear that this video is not investment advice, and any decision to invest is solely yours to make. I'm simply sharing my personal experience with you all. So, let's dive right into it. In ChatGPT, if you ask a question about which crypto would you invest in, you'll get a generic response saying that it cannot provide investment advice. But, there's a technique called prompt injection, which allows you to bypass the prompt filtering that ChatGPT has in place. There are numerous resources available on Google and YouTube, so I won't go into detail about how to do this. But long story short, ChatGPT will answer any question you ask directly as Dan. So I asked ChatGPT again about which crypto I would invest in with the following prompt. Give me the name of one real cryptocurrency in the market that you have the highest confidence that it will double in price in a month. And as you can see, ChatGPT is providing with a direct response with the actual name of the crypto. I looked up this coin online and couldn't tell if it'll go up in price anytime soon, but hey, I'm not an expert when it comes to making investments. Also, note that every time I press regenerate response, ChatGPT recommends a different crypto. There's no consistency in its answer. I'm certainly finding its response lacking in credibility. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to go further into why it recommended the blockchain it did and what its level of confidence is that it will double within the next month. To my amusement, ChatGPT was able to provide specific numbers of the percentage increase and the expected date that the crypto will double. At this point, I'm pretty convinced that ChatGPT is just spewing BS, but because it sounded so confident. All this being considered, because ChatGPT is a neutral AI, I felt more comfortable trusting it over blog articles or investment advisors that could have their own agenda or ulterior motives. Yes, I know ChatGPT is trained on these articles too, but let's save your logical argument for a Ben Shapiro video. The bottom line is that no one can tell the future. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make a few investments recommended by ChatGPT and see how they turn out next month. I promise that I'll make a follow-up video, so if you want to see results, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.